Hello, my name is Leonardo Flores, and I'm going to be presenting my social science lesson plan. So, the first slide is content standards. So, the content standards that I chose was 3.1a, which is students know energy comes from the sun to earth in the form of light. Then the other standard is 3.3, which it says describe the relationship between a series of historical events, scientific ideas, or concepts, or steps in technical procedures in a text using language that pertains to time, sequence, and cause and effect. Mm, I chose this standard because for like the activity that I'm going to be doing like if I were to be teaching a third grade class. I chose I wanted to be doing the like creating a bean plan. Like I'm more of a content based learning. I think that model for me works more because I like for students to be engaged in doing something. For example, like the bean plan, which for example it is. A student will create a bean plan, and this is a way to see that the sun is actually giving energy to the plant every day. Sorry. Um, and so basically, um, I'm going to be like giving the students. It could be like I put a jar, but it could be like a cup, and then students will be putting like cotton balls inside of it, and then I'm gonna be putting like the alcohol that they put so that it could be so that the plant could be growing like each day because like on the window I'm gonna be putting them um like so that the sun can be hitting the plant. And so some of the vocabulary that I chose that I think was like that it was basically kind of like related to the lesson is energy, field, sun, earth, heat, light, wood, and wind. And I think that these are some of the terms that my students should learn, like so that they can have like a more understanding of the lesson. Um, so for engagement, I put that I think one of the activities that I think are great for students' engagement is having popsicle sticks, because there are students who are very shy when it comes to sharing their answer. For example, like of course before digging into the lesson, into the activity, I'm gonna be giving them a like a preview of what's the energy of like what are some of the items or objects that need energy from the sun. And like for example like because that's one of the things that's related to the homework assignment that I'm going to be assigning. So so yeah, like before going into the activity, i'm going to be um I'm going to be giving them like a just like a short preview so that they can have an understanding when doing the activity. So the materials that I chose was they're gonna have a notebook so that they can write like all of the steps that they made. And like they're gonna be writing down notes like, oh, why is it important for the plant to receive the sun. And then like the jar, but I'm gonna put that it could also be like a plastic plas, plastic cup. And it's gonna be the alcohol and the cotton balls. Like of course that since they're little kids, I'm not gonna be giving them the alcohol, so I'm they're gonna be giving it to me like one by one, and I'm gonna be pouring the alcohol. And so for this one, like I chose this homework assignment because students after the lesson and all that, they're gonna have an understanding. And this for me, like I think it's not hard for like the students, but it's gonna give me like an understanding. Oh, if they are getting the lesson. For example, they're gonna be matching like the energy sources to the way they use it. For example, for the sun, it could be for no no no. Like the wind, it could be like for the sun solar panels, and the wood, it could be for the I forget the name, for the fireplace. So that's like a way of getting like light, energy, like the car, it's gonna be oil. So there are different things that students will need to like match, so that um they're gonna already be having like a an understanding of what energy is, and where and why is it very important to for them to um why is it very important for them to know where all of this comes from, like why the solar panels are very important, because it gives us more and more energy, and it helps us with the electricity, of course. And yeah, so this is like um some of the things that I would do for the social science, like for my social science class. And yes, so hope you enjoyed it, and thank you.